It's good chat. It's good boys. It's good ladies and gentlemen. Back live again for my third time this month. Alright, let's get straight into it. Alright, so here we have the hourly chart on NQ. We've been in a clear buy model since Monday. Monday, the week opened up, taking that 12 a.m. midnight price all the way down here. So we're in a deep premium on the week. Doesn't mean we can't keep on going higher. Volatility is kind of diminished. And past 2 days, I have not taken anything. Traded above this daily SIBI on NQ. So we're in a premium. We trade above this high. That's previous day high. And then we have previous day low. Grade this range. We're in the upper portion of that. We have this fair value gap. So we could trade back down into this fair value gap. Potentially this low. Market structure doesn't look amazing. Then we have buy side liquidity here. If we want to come down, retrace, possibly accumulate, send price higher up into this high. Let's look at ES now. ES, pretty similar thing. We have this buy side imbalance here. No clear discount draw. You do have a 4-hour fair value gap there. You possibly could want to trade into. This old daily high that might want to be used as fair value here. And you have this discount 4-hour BISI that never really got traded into. So, yeah, we're kind of just stuck in this range. We have sell side here. This is what I'll call London low. Is that a 15-minute fair value gap? Yeah, there's a 15-minute fair value gap right under that, which that would technically be London low, but I want those just lower hanging fruit. These are 5-minute fair value gaps. This is a 9:30 fair value gap, I believe. And these are 2 wicks. I might take them off the chart, but I kind of want to keep them on just as reference points. You look at this. Wait. No, that's right. I'm using this because it's a swing high. Notice how we respect it here. We're hitting, failing to hit constant encroachment. That's weak. Balanced price range. SIBI right there with that 930 for value gap. Trading lower. Yesterday just wasn't really what I was liking. I was watching it. Just had all these wicks, whipsaw, whipsaw, whipsaw. Eventually we do deliver lower, but it is high resistance liquidity signature. Notice how first presented for value gap is there. Always is. And then we trade lower. These are 15-minute for value gaps. We're using this for 15 as inversion. We're using it again as inversion. And I kind of want to extend these right too. It might make this a little busy. Okay, so two 15-minute for value gaps. Then we're dropping down. We're using this, and we're using first percentage and lunch for value gap, treating to sell side, which also got put in at a new day opening gap. This is a 15-minute imbalance. First presented PM for value gap of yesterday or previous day, trading back higher, using this buy side imbalance here. If this is wick consequent encroachment here, yeah, we're hitting wick 0.25 here, trading up. PM for value gap lower, BISI trading up, failing to take buy side, coming back down, using this old for value gap there, inversion for value gap, using this, trading up into buy side, and then we have new day opening gap, trade down into first presented PM for value gap. Also is a 1 hour for value gap if you look at that. Then we're using our 15-minute for value gaps and new day opening gap. Using that wick, failing to get below constant encroachment there. Constant encroachment of that wick. Trading higher, and then we have this wick. So as of right now, there's no clear, nice, smooth draw on liquidity. This is my chart where I have daily fair value gaps on it. Here on NQ, we traded above this daily SIBI. Trade above this high. This is a 15-minute chart. We do have a 15-minute SIBI here. Other than that, it's not very clear. We have these two 15-minute for value gaps that I want to annotate. I kind of want to put quadrants on this one. So we have that. Look at ES here. These highs. These highs have like zero volume to them. You have this high, wick into it, wick into it, wick into it. And then this is our daily SIBI that I'm looking for as a draw liquidity. On ES, we're right close to that, so it makes sense to draw into that. So I'm looking for that possibly today. It seems likely. Then you have yesterday's first presented for value gap that we dropped into. Here we do have smooth lows here and pretty smooth highs with that daily SIBI. So here on ES, it's looking like we want to trade higher. NQ, we have this lower discount draw here, 15-minute SIBI, BISI. I'm just gonna do this. 15-minute BISI. We also have this 15-minute BISI. And we obviously can drop down into this daily SIBI here. Buy side, buy side, buy side. Trading lower. We have this wick here. For me, it's just not there this week. At least clearly for the framework. We'll see what we get here. We have taken these lows, displacement. This for value gap, we would want to see price stay above that if it's bullish right now, but for me, we just haven't taken any there hasn't been any meaningful move within this whole range. Buy side taken, news manipulates, trades lower into sell side. I was liking these lows here with this buy side imbalance. I want to see that get left. but it got ran through at news, which is fine. I don't need to trade this. There really is no setup here, unless you literally caught after that news wick. Right here, right there. Never even traded up into that fair value gap, so I'm gonna mark this fair value gap as well. $8.30. And then obviously, I want to mark this, but that'll be a lot on the chart. $9.28. What have we made? Relative equal highs right here. And then we have this high falling just short of this BISI. And then we have these equal lows. We're kind of spooling lower already. We are in bearish delivery here so far. So we do have this sell side here still, even though we wicked down into it. But then very volatile candle there. Trading to this buy side imbalance here. We will have a premium opening range gap. Notice how yesterday we really didn't get much. Okay. Swing high taken. Smooth high is taken. Let's see if we want to spool lower into these lows. We still have this high there. Okay, we have a premium. Notice how we touch that, Sibby. Inversion for value gap there. Let it do its thing. ES looks bullish here. All these wicks. All these wicks. I don't want to touch this. ES still has that premium draw on liquidity with this Civi that we still like. We're respecting that 15-minute constant encroachment of that fair value gap. Alright, it looks like we're going to stay heavy here. Traded this low. This is midnight opening range. Still in a discount. Wouldn't want to see price trade above this wick. Constant encroachment. ES and NQ are decoupled. Fell just short of opening range gap, constant encroachment, so we still have range for that. So we're watching this for value gap, seeing if it's used as inversion to send us lower into sell side. First presented for Valley Gap, Fair Valley Gap. We have discount new day opening gap down here. We're very close to Alright, let's see if we stay heavy here.